Here is the step-by-step process of how to place an order with Front Porch Pantry. First, visit our website frontporchpantry.com. Then, click on the menu tab or on the banner at the top of the site to see our menu. Now you are on our menu. Here is where you can see our available entrees, single servings, soups, desserts, and more. You can scroll through our menu's categories very easily by using the tabs at the top of the site. Or you can also scroll down through the whole menu manually. Now is when the fun begins. Look at our menu and choose what you want to order. Remember that if you want more information about a product, you can always click on it, and when you scroll down, you will see 4 tabs with information on product details, preparation, ingredients, and nutrition. When you know what you want to order, just click Add to Cart. Do not forget that you can modify the number of items by clicking on the minus and plus signs. You can also adjust the quantities or delete items after adding them. After you are done adding items, click on Go to Cart. If you don't see this option available, click on the cart icon on the top right corner of the screen, and this option will pop up open for you. Now that you are in the shopping cart, scroll down. Here's where you can add any special instructions or a gift note for the recipient, and add a tip. When you're ready, click Checkout. Here is where you will have to put your contact information and shipping address. Click on Continue to Shipping and select your shipping date. Now click on Continue to Payment. Enter your payment information and click Pay Now. You will now see your order confirmation. You will also receive a confirmation email to the email address you entered during the checkout process. And that's it. You are now ready to place an order with Front Porch Pantry.